This video will demonstrate how to deploy the Trend Micro Apex 1 Edge Relay server. As an overview, we will deploy the Edge Relay server in the DMZ network. Let's begin the installation. Locate the Edge server folder from the Apex 1 installation folder, then copy the folder to the target Edge Relay server's file system. Execute the setup program to start the installation process. From the Edge server connection screen, specify the Edge server public FQDN, its external-facing IP address and port number that the off-premises security agents will use to connect. You can also select your custom certificate in this screen. The setup will generate a self-signed certificate if no current certificate exists. Review the installation information and click Next to continue with the installation. We have now successfully installed the Edge Relay server. Click Finish to exit out of the installation window. The Edge Relay server is now ready for use. The next step that we need to do is to register the Edge Relay server to an Apex 1 server. To do this, locate the registration tool from the Edge Relay server installation directory. Open a command line editor with administrator privileges and change the directory to the location of the registration tool file. Use the registration command and specify the required parameters. We have now successfully registered the Edge Relay server to our Apex 1 server. To verify that the Edge Relay server is registered, log on to the Apex 1 server console and navigate to the Edge Relay settings page. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about Apex 1, please visit our website at www.trendmicro.com/apex1.